Hi, my name is Kim, and I am surviving breast cancer. During my 22 months of treatment, which is probably a record length, they said for anybody, I have been in the less than 5% of severe side effects. I have suffered pneumonia twice and had a 65-pound weight gain due to it and the steroids injections. I have suffered blood clotting, which I currently have, my jugular vein and my arms. I have suffered burns from the radiation infiltrating my veins and collapsing my right arm, which forced me into medical retirement at age of 45. I have had a lot of side effects that normally doesn't happen to a lot of people. Breast cancer is extremely frightening diagnosis, but the breast cancer is the easy part. The hard part is the 22 months of chemotherapy treatment that has side effects that affect your major organs like your lungs, your heart, your kidneys. That's the hard part, I thought, until I had radiation. Radiation is usually 6 weeks. My radiation was 8 weeks, and I suffered third-degree burns on my left breast and underneath my left arm. That period was probably the roughest during my treatment because I thought I was going to have a nervous breakdown with these burns. I had never really had any major scarring or anything over my body. I believed in healthy skin and taking care of your skin and drinking a lot of water and eating healthy. But during the radiation, I would go to take a shower and I would rub soap, antiseptic soap on my hand, and I would take my hand and I'd rub it just a little bit. And when I would look at my hand, I'd have flesh. My skin was coming off. I couldn't wear bras, and I have, ample situations. So to be walking around without a bra wasn't very attractive. There's hair loss with chemo. There is weight loss for some. If people aren't losing weight, they're winning the battle in chemo. They don't really tell you that. But I think radiation was the biggest deal for me. Currently, I am on the 5-year hormone chemo situation that the doctors have placed in my life for the next 5 years. It's called tamoxifen. Well, because I am one of the 5% that can't have tamoxifen, it causes blood clotting, and I already have been subject to 2 different issues of blood clotting. Now this is the 3rd one. They put me on Arimidex. Arimidex is the lesser of the 2, but still as equally as effective. But the Arimidex has now caused 3 blood clots. So as of date, they have taken me off what keeps the breast cancer from coming back. So I know people say you're a breast cancer survivor, and this here, these stories that we're telling are survivor stories. I'm surviving. I'm not a survivor yet. I'll be a survivor when I have no medicine. That's when I'll say I'm a survivor.